Yo, what is good, ladies and gentlemen? This is my last night trade. I'm very late to recording it just because I took a payout on this trade, so I went out with my girlfriend for a bit. And then this morning, I didn't set my alarm. Well, I set my alarm. Shit doesn't go off, so I don't know. Maybe shit was frying me, but there was like pretty much today was pretty much a no trade day. I mean, you could have taken like no A plus trade day. I don't think. What time? 2 a.m. High time frame. Yeah, no, we're not trading this shit. Yeah, no. No, we're not trading this shit, gang. Everybody, fade. If you didn't fade today, lock in. This is Asia. This is New York. Come on. Anyways, last night, banger trade. Very A plus. Very beautiful trade. For mechanical, I give it an A. I give it an A. You guys see the new place I put the webcam? Shit's fire, bro. It was like up here before, so it was kind of cooked. What was I gonna say? Yeah, discretionary A plus 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 plus. Um, what are the confluences? So, market open, like when market actually opens for Asia, 6 p.m. We create this massive gap. Why do we do that? Pop quiz. Nvidia's earnings. Nvidia beat earnings. That's also why today they are running. They are running. It's also why NQ's up today. Nvidia is the biggest company within the Nasdaq. Holds like I couldn't give you the numbers. I'm not gonna try to sound like I could, but they're larping the Nasdaq. Anyways, I knew price is gonna fill this at some point. We also have a devil's mark down here on the 5 minute. I don't really trade devil's marks. Is it a thing? Yeah, I don't even know if it's called a devil's mark. I'm pretty sure it is. What time frame was that on? Well, there's one up here, so that's the one that we care about. 3 minute, yeah. 3 minute devil's mark. I don't even think that's fucking what it's called. I just know a wickless body, bro. They used to be called some shit. ICT talked about them. Anyways, doesn't matter. So, we know that this is going to get filled. What do we want? Two things. We want to be trading out of a high time frame PD array. This could be a major liquidity pool. Could be a fair value gap, preferably a fair value gap. And you want true manipulation into that. What did we get? NASDAQ and ES. I'm not going to show you guys ES. You guys can trust me. We were both inside of this gap. This 4 hour. Very small 4 hour. Is it there? Yes. Did we respect it? Yes. Did ES and NQ both go into it? Yes. On the 1 hour. We are in a gap on ES, so I will show you that one. Did I just lie to you guys? Well, we were in a 4 hour, so. Again, this is like last night, so I'm still not fresh on it. This is the 4 hour. Again, small. Did we trade into it? Yes. Did we respect it? Yes. Doesn't fucking matter how small it is. That was on the 3 hour time frame, but I swear there's one on the 4 as well. On the 1 hour. 1 hour wasn't really telling me much. What was it telling me? That we have this massive new day opening gap. What was it also telling me? We're sweeping out major liquidity pools. We also have lots of LRL in the 1 hour. Trendline liquidity lower. On the 30 minute. Like, I have so much drawings here that aren't going to make sense till we get to a lower time frame. What do we have? We have this fair value gap that was created, which should have been your target, but you also have this 15-minute lower. I would target this 15-minute. Why? Pretty much just based on discretion, because ES is already in this 30-minute. So the move is not truly rebalanced on both indexes until we hit that 15-minute. Doesn't matter to my trade because I was targeting the new day opening gap. Let's hop on the 3-minute. This is where I took my entry. So, from our checklist, everybody should be using the same checklist. I recommend having it on your screen where you're going. Are we delivering from a high time frame PD array? Yes. So we don't need that anymore because that's already checked off. We'll give it a yes. Are we having a stop hunt? We'll get into that after. Do we have true manipulation? Yes. Alright, I'm not a fucking YouTuber. I'm not putting that bullshit out. Yes, we have true manipulation. Both indexes traded into this 4 hour. Now we need a stop hunt. Inside your high time frame PD array would be preferably. We got that. Now it was above, but it was a small gap, and it was pretty much like if that gap wasn't there, I would have taken the trade. So, yeah. So we have our stop hunt. We then print this high resistant high. Why? What's the point of price traveling? So tell me here. When we get this 3-minute inversion, yes, it's a strong inversion. We have LRL, low time frame LRL targeting a high time frame drawing liquidity. This new day opening gap. So as we concluded, this is an A plus. I gave it an A. We'll get into that later. Then you get this strong 3-minute inversion. I don't care how long you've been trading for. What is the point in price making this strong inversion and at least not taking out all this low resistance before coming back to this high resistant high? There's no reason for price to be here and target high resistant highs when you have all this LRL down here. On top of that, this massive move isn't rebalanced, and on top of that, you have a new day opening gap with no volume inside of it that you need to rebalance. Market does two things: it gathers liquidity and trades and tries to make the market more efficient by rebalancing inefficiencies. This is not just an inefficiency. This is a mess right here. So yeah, you get this 3-minute inversion, very beautiful, super strong inversion. There's no reason to not take this trade at all. Like, even if you just targeted right here, like that, there is no reason, as we talked about, there's no reason for price to come back to this high resistant high and then go lower. Why was there a reason to do it here? You could say to me, like, why here did we do it? When you have all your gaps lower, you have your market's still inefficient. Why? Because there's no LRL. This low is not low resistant. Yes, it's lower resistant than fucking this high, but it's still in a gap. So there's like, it's right here. Look, it's internal. It's internal 3-minute liquidity. And I bet if you check the high time frames, I'm gonna look like an idiot if it's not, but it's in a 5-minute. So this is a high resistant low. Price is gonna provide a stop hunt, and if we didn't get a stop hunt here, I wouldn't have wanted to take the trade as much, because then this high, yes, is high resistant and it's a rejection block, but still, you want that stop hunt. You want that extra confirmation. Now this is a very high resistant high, super nice. But yeah, so why did price come back up here? We don't have LRL lower. You have this. Are we gonna call this LRL? No, this is just a fucking spaz of candles. This is LRL. All these little failure swings and all this shit on the way up, that's what you want to see. You get that stop hunt, and then you go lower. Now, anyone who targeted the 15-minute, that's not wrong. It's not bad to target the 15-minute. And if you're a pure mechanical trader and you try to stick to your mechanics only, trade to that 15-minute. It's a good trade. There's no complaints about it. You're rebouncing an efficiency. You still catch a nasty RR. Like, that's so nice. And yeah. Why did I go all the way down here? I've traded Asia countless times. If you make a new day opening gap, that shit's getting filled. With this bearish movement, we are not going to do this. I'll tell you. We're not going to just come right here and then trade up higher. We're going to fill this. What happened? We did. On top of that, we were also opening 5 minutes, which, yes, maybe aren't the beautifulest sponsored 5-minute gaps. You are sponsored. You're trading out of a 4-hour. It's a sponsored gap, whether we like to say it or not. It's also a very strong move down. So yeah, that's pretty much the trade. This was kind of a longer one. I just think there was a lot to talk about, that this is A+, and why everything happened to make this A+. Anyways, I took a payout, minimum payout on 350Ks. That looked, min payout on 350Ks. So 1,500 US. Be pretty nice end to this month. Next month we are trying to hit 10 grand. How are we gonna do that? Pretty much just high risk on those 50Ks. I'm gonna buy 2 new evals. When this payout comes through, I'll probably buy them tonight or this weekend or some shit. I'm not in a rush because, like, how good is tomorrow gonna be? We have like Jackson Symphony Hole or whatever the fuck it is. I'll show some proof of payout. I think I sent one of them in here. Yeah, right here. Shout out everybody eating in the Discord too, bro. Join up the fucking Discord. We all eat in this shit. We all eat. Anyways, good luck. I hope everybody banged. Shout out Josh. You guys are trying to get into crypto trading? Use code Josh. Let me just get the code for you. For the 3 people watching this fucking video, use code. Hold up. I don't know where to find that shit. Fuck. Where does he put it, bro? Oh, Joshua. Alright, guys. Use code Josh. Fucking text Josh on IG and find his code. Use code Josh. I think it's Josh MT. Don't put that shit in there. Anyways, boys, good luck. I hope everybody ate this week. I had a pretty good week. This week was pretty good. I did have an Asia session little fuck around, but this is my week, I think. Loki actually looks like shit, but I swear it was a good week. Yeah. 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 Yeah, I'm up like 3R. 3R. Shout out. Alright, good luck, boys. Go pray, do something productive, and lock in.